Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black. And how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is blessed and prosperous. Today, I'm coming to you with a quick recipe. The holiday seasons are coming up. This will be an awesome side dish. You can have it at the family picnic, any kind of gatherings, brunch, any way you want to use this as a side dish. Today we are making marinated vegetable salad. Marinated vegetable salad. This is a very old recipe, and you can use any kind of vegetables that you want to use in this awesome salad. And the secret is, let it sit in the, after we put it all together, let it sit in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours so those flavors can come together. So stay tuned to learn how you can make this marinated vegetable salad. What you would need for this salad is 3/4 cups of vinegar that we have right here. You would need 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You will need 1 can of French style green beans. You drain it. 1 can of whole corn, drain. 1 can of peas, drain. You will also need 1 onion chopped up, 1 bell pepper chopped up, and 2 to 3 stalks of celery chopped up. You'll need a small jar of pimentos, drained. I have all the vegetables here in this bowl already drained and ready to go. I have the 3/4 cup of vinegar, the 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, and a teaspoon of pepper. And it's all in this pan. And we are going to bring it to a boil. And once you bring it to a boil, you let it set aside and cool. And then we will combine all the vegetables together, and we're gonna pour this sauce or this marinade on top of it and let it chill. See, here it is in the pot. And all I got to do is bring it to the boil. Here is my cup of my small onion cut up. I'm going to put this in the mix. I diced up 2 stalks of celery. One bell pepper chopped up. Now we're just waiting on this sauce to come to a boil, and then we're gonna let it cool, and then I'll be back and pour it over the vegetables, and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 12 to 24 hours. Then you can add that as a side dish to anything that you want. Let me tell you, this will be good with some collard greens or mixed vegetables, a stew or soup. It goes with anything. Some barbecue ribs. Oh, you can use this dish to set off any meal. And it's trying to come to a boil, because what we're doing is wanting to get that cup of sugar dissolved. That's what we're trying to do. I have all those ingredients in the pot. And it is boiling. That's all we had to do. See? So I'm getting ready to turn that off. I'm going to put it to the back. And I'm going to let it cool off. And I'll be back when I'm going to add it to the vegetable mix that we have right here. Now we're getting ready to pour the sauce over the vegetables. Ooh, sorry for that. Just mix it up together. It's a little bit on the line like chow chow, but not chow chow. The flavor is so good. Once it sits and all these flavors come together, here it is. Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it set for 12 to 24 hours. The flavors have all blended into the vegetable the marinated vegetable salad. Look at it. It looks so good. This is going to go, I'm frying some pork chops, and this will go with those fried pork chops. Look right here. Don't they look good? These are the ones that already been fried, and I'm closing it up with this. For these, I want to thank everyone for watching this video today and spending time with me. And please try this marinated vegetable salad. It is delicious. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. And thank you.